English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1, bad, desk, enjoy. Bad. Bad is an adjective. A1 learners usually know bad. At A1, bad means not nice or causing difficulty or harm. At A2, bad means low quality. Here are some examples. She's in a bad mood. They received some bad news yesterday. The weather is bad, so we are staying at home. Desk. Desk is a noun. A1 learners usually know desk. A desk is a type of table that a person works at. Here are some examples. He has many things on his desk. Her desk is at the front of the class. There are only 2 desks that we can see. Enjoy. Enjoy is a verb. A1 learners usually know enjoy. At A1, enjoy means to get pleasure from something. At A2, a learner usually knows enjoy myself and enjoy ourselves. Here are some examples. She enjoys going to school. I enjoy watching films at the cinema. We really enjoyed ourselves at your party. Now write some of your own sentences with bad, desk and enjoy. Download the free A1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.